Hello everyone, this is Neil from Virtual Fly, and today we're gonna walk you through the startup procedures and a short flight using our newest addition to our product line, which is the SWITCHO G1000 panel. As you can see, this panel is integrating our SWITCHO engine device, our G1000, currently our Yoko Neo, but it's also compatible with our standard Yoko Plus. It also has the SWITCHO lights, the SWITCHO trims, and we've set it up with the TQ6 Plus. So let's get right to it. First of all, what I'm going to do is use the SWITCHO lights to set the both tank selectors to the on positions, and we'll start with the startup procedures of the electrical panel using the SWITCHO engine device. You can see I'm switching off the left engine, left alternator is on, and now we can power the avionics now that we already have one of the engines running. The G1000 is fully loaded. I'm gonna start the second engine, the right engine, and let's get right to it. Now we are fully ready to take off. We will check our trim positions are set for takeoff, which is correct, and let's get right to it. Our VR is around 85 knots, so that's it. I can start switching the landing gear up, and we are currently taking off from Lowy Airport. We're gonna be climbing at around 5,000 feet. We're gonna level there. We do a U-turn, essentially start the approximation. So as you can see, we have all the elements required for not only visual flight, but IFR procedures also with the G1000 functionalities. We have full access to a very advanced autopilot with all the lateral modes and the vertical modes that you would see in a real G1000 aircraft. So currently we have the heading mode, aiming to maintain a course of 70 or 69 degrees of selected heading, and we're maintaining a vertical speed of 1,000 feet per minute and climbing to a selected altitude of 5,000 feet. As you'll be able to see in a few seconds, once the altitude approaches the selected altitude, it's going to automatically capture it, and we're going to be leveled at 5,000 feet. And you can see our vertical speed dropping to around 0, as we'll neither be climbing or descending. And we can see the airspeed building up in our airspeed indicator, as is normal, given the fact that we are going at a flight on level flight. I've just disabled the autopilot, as I'm going to do a coordinated turn now and decrease the power so that we steadily start descending towards the airfield. And we can see in the screen we have visual sights of the runway. Okay, so we can see we are flying a bit high as the PAPI lights are showing all white. So we are gonna lower our throttle slightly and start descending a bit at a faster rate. I'm also going to be setting the flaps using the SWITCHO trims, and in just a second we'll see as one of the red lights of the PAPIs are showing up, and now two, so we need to try to maintain this glide slope. We are going to aim to touch down at around 70 knots, and right now I've triggered the lock mode with nav1, and as you can see our glide slope is perfect, and our localizer is also quite centered.